Hi guys, what's up, my fans? This is B Wogosh. This is B Cat Square. Today, I got turned into a marketable plushie anyway, but Object Mayhem 3 just got released out, so we're going to react to it anyway. Let's go. Now let's play. Now let's play it. Oh my goodness! How did I get a blue screen of death? What? Tiago's 91. I watched that on Scratch before. That's Tiago's project. How did I get this Dizzy's 91 era? God, that's it. I'm gonna turn it off anyway. That will teach her a lesson. I should teach her a lesson. Oh, OMG. You're That's it. You're not gonna bully me this time, Dizzy's 91. That's it. We're gonna turn it off again. I'm gonna turn it off again. That's a teacher lesson. Ha ha ha. OMG. Oh, see what happens? I'm never gonna see what happens. That's it. I turn it off again. Ha ha. Not a husband. No. Oh, your voice is changed to Paul. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, FX. Oh, we're not gonna deal with this 91 before. Anyways, I will see you in part 2, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sure, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Uh, my fans.